means you engage your thinking brain. It means you are very deliberate about this, you know, that kind of stuff. So even as a manager, therefore, you need to be aware how those things operate, because they happen fast. And whenever they happen, what therefore do they do? That's why you find companies sending people on safety courses, you know, risk, they do this, but people are still getting injured. Why? So it tells you it's not about the training, but it's about how the brain works. The conditions are not in alignment with how the brain is actually functioning. I think the important thing that one needs to understand first is to understand that the brain is got these two parts, divided into two parts. We've got the conscious brain and we've got the subconscious brain. And also with the mind, you know, the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. So when you talk about the conscious mind, I mean, it's that is very quick, that is intelligent, the one that will strategize. You know, when you're talking about especially this frontal lobe, I mean, like part of the brain, I mean, we talk about the prefrontal cortex. We talk about that part of the brain that is able to do your long-term planning, to strategize, to be able to be critical, I mean, to analyze things. And then you've got the subconscious part of the brain. And this subconscious part is the one that carries your beliefs. It carries all the files, you know, in terms of the past, things that you've been through. And then that's how it's able to assess information and look at the situations and be able to see that, hey, that is actually a threat to me. You don't train it like that, but it is how it is. So whenever you talk, for an example, one of the rules that it actually uses now to process information, because it's always scanning for anything. There's a part of the brain that is called the reticular activating system, which is called the attention center of the brain, which is part of the subconscious, you know, brain. So what it does is it scans the environment, you know, while you are being unaware that it does that, but it's continuously doing that. So it's scanning for what? It's scanning for danger,